Research suggests that consuming pleasurable foods can reduce physical pain. Studies on rats have shown that when painful stimuli are applied while eating pleasurable foods, there is a delayed pain response compared to the rats who are not eating pleasurable food. In contrast, the consumption of unpleasurable foods had no effect. The research on rats also showed that the calorific content was not linked to pain reduction, although most comfort-type foods tend to be high in sugar and fat. The next important finding was the effect only occurs during the eating, not before and not after. Now, this creates a problem for chronic pain sufferers, as theoretically, pleasurable food would have to be eaten continually for a prolonged analgesic pain relief response. So, how does eating nice food reduce pain? It's believed to trigger a response in the brain, which then dampens the perception of pain, and this is known as descending inhibition. In fact, doing anything pleasurable is likely to reduce pain. The problem is, pain often deters people from doing and engaging in pleasurable activities, and eating tasty food is usually an easy option. This food-based pain-relieving effect has also been shown in humans and was referred to in a 1997 study as palatability-induced antinociception. It seems that our brains are hardwired to prioritize food over pain. That is to say that we would endure pain in search of food and would not ignore food in order to avoid pain. They found this to be the default hierarchical response in the animal kingdom, including simple organisms like mollusks, for example, which prioritize feeding over everything, including mating, but not egg laying, as eating their own eggs would be unhelpful. Scientists have even studied chickens. Chickens in the study had a painful leg, which was evident by the fact they stood on one leg and avoided moving. However, following a delay in feeding, the arrival of food made the chickens run towards the food with no evidence of pain in either leg. So in conclusion, pleasurable food and drink can reduce pain, but the effect is likely to only be during the consumption. However, the importance of acquiring and consuming food for basic survival is supported by the body's ability to potentially modulate pain within the central nervous system. It would be sensible to be aware of the overall calorie intake when consuming foods for pain relief to avoid excessive weight gain, which in itself can potentially cause pain. And we discussed that in another video showing on the screen here.